Ever wondered how easy it is to get a checkbook from HDFC Bank using net banking and mobile banking services? Let's walk you through the simple steps. Here's how you can request for a checkbook using net banking. Step 1. Log in using your net banking ID. Step 2. Find and click on the request section. Choose checkbook from the options available. Step 3. If you have multiple accounts, select the one for which you want the checkbook. Step 4. Click Continue to proceed with your request. Step 5. After confirming your request, it goes to the next screen where we have to confirm our mailing address and then press Accept. A small radio button in the bottom. Once you confirm this, a reference number is generated and then the confirmation message appears. For our new customers, log into your net banking and under the Personal tab, go to Pay and click on Cash, Cheque, Demand Draft. If you have multiple accounts, select the ones for which you want the checkbook. Choose Get a new checkbook and confirm your mailing address. Once you confirm this, a reference number is generated and then the confirmation message appears. But what if you want to apply via your mobile phone? Sure, you can. Here are the steps to apply for a checkbook via your mobile device. Step 1. Enter your personal identification number or PIN. It's a special 4-digit number provided to you by HDFC Bank. This number helps you access the mobile banking services hassle-free. Step 2. Under the Pay section, click on Checks. Step 3. Review your account number and mailing address and then click on Confirm. Step 4. Once you confirm this, a reference number is generated and then the confirmation message appears. And now, you will get your checkbook delivered to your doorstep.